I know someone with whom every conversation becomes a trauma story. I'd say good morning and she'd respond, well, it's not good for me because every time she has a reason for that. Pulling a conversation was so emotionally draining with her and I didn't know why. But here is what I discovered. She liked playing victim mentality like a weapon. She uses those four tactics which I have observed over the years. First is such people redirect every conversation back to their problems to stay the center of attention. Second is they interrupt your stories with saying that reminds me of when I was doing this or that remind me of when I visited there. Something to avoid real two-way communication. Third is using guilty phrases like nobody understands me, nobody cares about me to basically emotionally manipulate you into rescuing them. Fourth is flipping the accountability back to their suffering when you try to address their behavior. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप उन्हें बोल रहे हो कि अरे यू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, तुम इतना नेगेटिव क्यों हो, या फिर तुम ऐसे हमेशा बेकार ही क्यों सोचते हो, वर्स्ट ही क्यों सोचते हो किसी की चीज के बारे में, देन दे विल ट्राई टू रीडायरेक्ट देयर बिहेवियर. दे विल ट्राई टू बी कि वो मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही होता है. दे विल ऑलवेज बी प्लेइंग द विक्टिम कार्ड. So what I have started doing is whenever this kind of person redirect, I say let's talk about that after we finish this topic. If they're interrupting me when I'm talking to someone or when I'm talking to them only, I say just hold that thought and let me finish first. If they guilt trip me, I respond casually by saying, I care about you and I need balance in our relationship. But please, can we just redirect things to something which is important, which is what we are talking right now? So once I started using these responses, conversations became balanced again. I stopped feeling drained and started feeling respected. What you have to do is you have to set clear boundaries without being mean because your mental health matters more than their manipulation tactics. So if you like this video, just follow me for more such content because I keep on coming with such behavioral, psychological and communication videos.